Hello, my dear friends and fellow developers. Welcome back to my channel. So let's continue our journey where we are discussing about different tools and different use cases related to Omstudio platform. We have came a long way where we discussed multiple topics like about the different tools, about its best practices, about its use cases, when to use what is the differences between different tools. If you want a refresher, you can check my playlist so that you can have a look what are the previous topics which we discussed. So let's continue today and see what is stored for today. So today we will discuss how can we call an Apex class from DataRaptor. This is one of the crucial point which a developer should know because in out-of-box state we cannot do everything. So at each level some customization is needed and we can do so with the help of Apex class which can be called from DataRaptor. So as you can see in the screenshot, what we are trying to do, we are trying to split a list over here. So now what you have to do, you need to create a brand new data raptor, and then in formulas tab, you have to give the syntax like this, as you can see in the screenshot. So the screenshot says the function, then PR custom function to object array list of asset IDs and asset ID. PR custom function is the name of the Apex class in which we had all our logics. Then to object array is the method name with the help of which we can target which operation to perform. List of asset ID is our input parameter in which we will pass the list of asset ID, and asset ID will be the node name with the help of which we can do our processing. So this is the pretty much the skeleton of the formula. Now let's see how we can formulate or write our Apex skeleton so that we can achieve this functionality. So first and foremost, we need to implement the callable interface. So as you can see on the left hand side, global PR custom function implements callable. After this, we have to define a method named as public object call. So this method will take two arguments named as string action and map of string of object arguments. Action is the name which we have provided like two object array, and arguments are the input list which we have mapped over here like input, output, and options. So similarly, we are what we say segregating the responses over here, and then we are calling the invoke method with certain parameters like action, input, output, and option. Then this invoke method, what it is doing, it is calling our method, which you can see in the right hand side, which is basically converting the list of assets into different asset IDs. So if you want, you can pause the video for a moment and you can go through this code. The code is pretty much simple. The left hand side is the prototype or the skeleton which needs to be defined, which is the public object call, and we need to implement the callable interface. The right hand side is the simple logic which will perform any operation, or you can write your own custom function also to do certain operation. So this is pretty much about the Apex classes. So once you mapped it, so there will be a binding, and now what if you will give the input as an asset ID, as you can see I'm giving the list of asset ID 1 2 3 4, and it will give the segregated output like this, as you can see in the right hand side. So this is how you can define a Apex class which can be called from DataRaptor. So you can perform the out of box functionality over here. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. Hopefully, I was able to explain you how to call an Apex class from DataRaptor, or basically we can see how to write a custom function for a DataRaptor. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching the video.